in history.
Oh, yes,
You're too kind, too kind.
Weren't you scared, Sonic?
Heck no, little bro. I just juice 'em and reduce 'em.
Oh, I think I will be chunking.
Sonic,
Mm.
you were great.
Our brothers.
Sonic?
Just kidding, Sal. Kiss wasn't that great.
Oh, really?
Really?
I suppose you can do better?
Is grass green? Is water wet?
Yeah.
We are activating the emergency alert system to bring you an actual emergency. The people at Poker Stars has predicted a blue screen of death warning. We want you to shut off your computer within the next 60 seconds or less, or else your computer will crash. There are over 10 million people from America, Italy, Japan, China, France, England, and Australia that have their computer crashed while trying to play Poker Stars in the last 10 minutes. So please, once again, shut off your computers right now. You better hurry up or else your computer's going to crash.
Yuck.
All right, tell me anything.